Graphing a straight line. Plot the following straight line on the graph paper by taking at least 2 points on the line 2x minus y is equal to 6. As step 1 of the given procedure, we will be isolating y for this equation. So the given equation is 2x minus y, 2x minus y equal to 6. So for isolating y, the first thing we need to move from left to the right side of equation is any term independent of y. So we will be moving 2x. This implies 2x will be moved on the right. So we'll have minus y equal to minus 2x then plus 6. And for getting rid of this minus 1, then we will be multiplying minus 1 on both sides of the equation. This will give us y equal to 2x minus 6. So this completes our step 1 of the procedure, isolating y on left hand side of the given equation. And for step 2, we will be assuming few values of x around origin while calculating values for y. So for this equation, let's assume the values of x are 0, 1, 2, and you can choose few values as 3 and 4. Let's assume these values. We can choose negative values as well. There is no problem. But at x is equal to 0, where x is equal to 0, what will be value for y? Y is equal to 2 times x minus 6 means that when x is equal to 0, this is 0 minus 6. So this is equal to 0 minus 6 equal to minus 6. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 6. Y is equal to minus 6, and when x is equal to 1, what is value for y? Y is equal to 2 times 1 minus 6. This is equal to minus 4. So this is minus 4 here. At x is equal to 2. So we will, every time we need a value for y, we will substitute value of x and we will find the value for y. Y is going to be 2 times 2 minus 6. This will be 4 minus 6, so it will be minus 2. So here we will have minus 2, and then at x equal to 3, what will be y equal to? Y is equal to 2 times 3 minus 6. This will give us y is equal to 0. You can see that for every value of y, there is a difference of 2. So we continue to add 2 to get the next value for y. So it's not hard here to imagine what would be the next value. The next value would be 2. And now we make pairs for x, y. The pairs would be 0 minus 6, 0 minus 6, and the next pair would be 1 minus 4. The next pair of x, y would be 2 minus 2. Next pair would be 3, 0, and the last pair we are going to get is 4, 2. So these are the pairs for the values of x and y which we are going to graph on straight line. Here we can choose a grid and we can draw this line here as horizontal line x-axis. So this is x-axis, and the vertical line here would be this line, and we choose this as y-axis. Let's name it as y-axis and this as x-axis. For x equal to 0, so here we have origin. At origin x is equal to 0, so this is 0, and if we take 2 units along, x-axis equal to 1, so this would be 0, then this would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4, and what we get here is at 0 it's minus 6, so we should write the scale here as well. So scale is along x-axis, along x-axis, 2 small squares equal to 1, and for y-axis, along y-axis, 1 small square is equal to 1 small square is equal to 1. So it's at 0, the y is minus 6, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So this is the point 0, minus 6. Let's name this point as point A. The next point is 1, minus 4. So 1 and then minus 4, that's right here. Let's name it as point B, and this is 1, minus 4. And the next point is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, and that is going to be 2 here and minus 2 right here. Let's call this as point C, 2, minus 2, and the next point is 3, 0. 3, 0 is right here. That is the point. And let's call this point as D. It's 3, 0. And the next point, which is the last point as well, 4, 2. So 4 here and 1 and 2 right here. Let's call this as point E, and this is 4, 2. And if we have a smooth line that we can draw through these points, this will be the line joining these points, and this will be this you can extend on either side of the equation, and the equation for this line would be equal to y equal to minus 2x, 2x minus 6. Y is equal to 2x minus 6. Now the questions could be asked that what is y-intercept? What is y-intercept? Means that at what point does this line intersect y-axis? So the answer to this question is minus 0, minus 6. 0, minus 6 is the point where this line intersects y-axis. Similarly, it could be asked what is x-intercept? What is x-intercept? For the x-intercept, the answer would be 3, 0. 3, 0 is the point where this line intersects x-axis. So that's right there. So this could be another question. And next, a question could be asked that what is slope of the line? Slope of the line. That could be answered in a way, if between any 2 points, let's take the point A as well as the point B, and draw the perpendicular from B and draw the horizontal line from A, and you can see what is x at A, abscissa, that is 0. What is abscissa at B, that is 1. So this width here is 1 minus 0, that is the width of this. And the height is, here it's minus 6 and there it's minus 2. So this height here is, the height is 2. Therefore, the slope m is equal to rise over run. Rise over run. This is equal to 2 over 1. The answer would be equal to 2. So that is slope of the line if we look through the rise over run, and we'll see you in the next video.